welcome back to Circuit the World. My name's Alice, and today we are making a Christmas cracker, because why not? 'Tis the season. Now, in the midst of trying to get the stuff to do this, I have been unable to find a prize for the cracker. Instead, my cracker will hold some Christmas fortunes, potentially. I don't know, I'm going to think of some stuff, and I'm going to write them on paper, and I'm going to put them inside. I'm also going to put some treats in. I do not know if this is going to work, but this is what I have, this is how it's going to go, so I'm just going to get cracking. I think one paper should be enough. I think one bit of card, yeah, one card will be fine. So the first thing I'm going to do is make like the tube that will be our cracker, and then I will somehow work out how I'm going to cinch the end. But what it does mean is I brought all of this card here for no reason whatsoever. If you guys want to join in and make your own cracker, and you want to show me, please do. Take pictures, take videos, take whatever. I am on pretty much every single social media. All of those links are currently on the screen, or at least the handles are currently on the screen. The links are all in the description box below. Please go ahead, take pictures, take video, show me what you do, send them to me. I would love to see how you guys get on with this challenge. The other thing I don't know is if it'll actually tear when you pull it. Could be a problem. So what I'm now going to try, because I've got to work this out, because I've got to get the party popper in there. I'm thinking I'm just going to scrunch the end. Maybe give it a twist. Like this. But I've got to get the party popper in there as well. The plan is here to have the string left out the end, and then have the actual party popper bit here inside. Oh! So I'm going to push him in here like this. I'm not getting resistance. All right, and then what I want to do is kind of tape that rope to... I've not thought about this at all. I've just thought, like, as you pull this, what if the explosion of the party popper shoots the chocolate everywhere? You might have to make like a little pouch for the M&Ms to go in. Scrunch this like so. Yeah, that will do. Give it a bit of tape. I'd love to cut in half. Oh, that worked really well. And then I'm just going to kind of secure the twist with the tape. I am not going to be test running this cracker before I take it home. So if it doesn't work, it does not work. I've done this first because my plan is to now kind of put everything in the end and then do what I've just done here on the end. So that is part one complete. Now I'm going to try and make a little pouch for the chocolates, because I fear that if I don't, they will be catapulted out. You know what? You and I will find out what the hell this is supposed to be when I've done it. The idea is now, if they get launched across the room, or just covered in whatever the little explosive is that make... Is it explosive? Yeah. Shit. Hopefully they'll be alright. For reflection, this might be really, really, really stupid. If you're young, don't mess around with party poppers. I love crispy M&Ms. I had to check the shop were okay. I guess I just kind of now want this to work. I don't know that it will. Oh, hang on. What a genius idea. I think that's worked. Yeah, that'll work. At this point, good luck anyone trying to get into this thing to get your prize. One prize done. I am your prize. Key is just going to hopefully go. I knew this was going to happen. I knew it was going to be too big. Widen the tube. That goes in there. I still don't know how this will actually come apart. If it will come apart. Okay. I now have to think of something to write. There's a little Christmas rhyme, I guess. On the other side, I'm going to write a Christmas joke. I'm not going to tell you what these things say. You can find out with whichever unfortunate family member gets to open this. Our Christmas rhyme and our joke are here. Now they're going into the cracker. So much of this feels like a bad idea. Guys, I nearly forgot to make a Christmas hat. Oh, jeez, that would have been terrible. Really wish I had some tissue paper. I really wish I'd thought about this when I was in the shop earlier. That would have been great. That would have been really helpful. Ooh, that's a cool idea. I'm gonna make an adjustable Christmas hat so that whomever you are, whoever has to wear it, you can make it to the size you need it to be. Put a tiny little bit of tape on here, and then I'm going to get my pen and write. That was my part. Readjustable. Now it can't just be a white Christmas hat. No, no, no. Do you guys have any favorite Christmas jokes? I like, what disease do you only get at Christmas? Tinselitis. I also like, why couldn't the skeleton go to the ball? Because he had no body to go with. Alright, so we've got this fancy little pattern, and it also says King/Queen of Christmas. So anybody can wear the crown of Christmas. I have realised though, I've put king on the adjustable movable part, which means it could just be kin rather than king. So that's my bad, but there you go. I mean, it's massive at the moment, but that's the beauty of the crown. So it can be readjusted to be any size that is needed for the wearer. Into the cracker, the hat goes. Can't believe I nearly got a hat. That is mad. Because I've only realised when I popped the thing. Just to remind you, I do have explosives in this, albeit not big ones. They are just party poppers, and they are indeed explosives. And I have no idea what's going to happen to the stuff being pressed up against the party poppers when I try and open this with a relative of mine. It is going to be amusing to find out. Last guy going in here. He can't really go that way, and I don't want to push too hard because that's the bottom. So I guess this is where we're going with this. That's not really what I was after, but I appreciate there's a lot going on in there. If I had ribbons or something, I would put them round. This end looks lovely. This end just looks like I've run out of space. I don't know how easily this is going to break, so I'm going to school the middle of it with my scissors. And now I'm just going to decorate the cracker so it looks a little bit more appetizing, and then I think we are done. Ta-da! Here is my very homemade cracker with a joke inside, a hat inside, and a little prize. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it will release now I've scored it. I don't know what the party poppers are gonna do when they go off, but you are literally about to find out. I've got to wait a few days before I can test this out, but you will know instantaneously. I'm gonna cut right now to me opening this with a very unfortunate, probably, family member. So for you guys, it has been a very short time since I was last here with the cracker. So we're here now with my unfortunate relative. This is my dad, who's been nominated. He's got no idea what's in this. You obviously know as you've just watched me make it. So we're gonna pull the cracker. We're gonna see if it even works. Ready? Just try and pull it. I don't know if it's even gonna rip. Yep, that worked exactly how I thought it would.
It's too thick.
Hang on. Yeah, I know it's too thick. Let's pull the cracker. It will definitely pull now. Ready? Go. Oh, hang on. Woo! Do you want to look at what's in your cracker? Look, it's a cracker hat that's adjustable for any size. Ah, amazing. And that's your prize. Ah, amazing.
What was the other end of there?
There's another party popper in there. Because the idea was when you pulled them apart, they went poof! Woo! There you go. Here's your joke and Christmas poem. I'll put that up while you read that. What could it be? Isn't this the best Christmas cracker you've ever had?
Why does Santa spend so much time in his garden?
I don't know. Why does Santa spend so much time in his garden?
Because he's always using his ho-ho-ho.
That's such a funny joke.
Do I need to read the back
Go
too?
for it.
Christmas is the time of giving and only having a few doubts. So when you unwrap your Christmas gifts, remember, it's the thought that counts.
Yay! What a great message. And there's your prize.
Oh, why we couldn't do this?
Because I didn't want the chocolate going everywhere if that had actually worked. And I didn't know what would happen if chocolate got launched by a party popper. To be honest, that's why it's all wrapped up.
Look.
Yay! Chocolate!
Yay.
Isn't it great?
It is.
So that's it. That was me making a Christmas cracker that basically ended up exactly how I expected it to. But that's it for today, so thank you so much for hanging out with me. It's been an absolute blast as always. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the cracker and the end result of what that cracker was, please go show that like button some Christmassy love. And if you want to support the channel, go hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss next time I upload a video. We're really close to an awesome little number of subscribers on the channel, and I'd love to hit it before the end of the year. So please, if you're not subscribed and you enjoyed this video, do consider going and hitting that little red button. Stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video! Adjustable Christmas hat. Fits anyone. Oh yeah.